Did you know that Amazon prices change like the wind? It's almost like a game where the rules are constantly shifting and you have to stay on your toes to win. It's true. One minute that fancy coffee maker is $75, a price that seems reasonable for a high-quality appliance, and the next, it's a whopping $92. You might wonder, how can the price jump so quickly? Well, it's all part of Amazon's dynamic pricing strategy. You deserve the best price, and I'm here to tell you how to get it. Imagine the satisfaction of knowing you snagged the best deal possible. We're talking about serious savings here, folks. Not just a few pennies, but significant amounts that can add up over time. Some studies show that by tracking prices, you could save an average of 30% or more on your Amazon purchases. That's a substantial discount, especially if you're a frequent shopper. That's like putting money back in your pocket, money you can use to pay off debt, invest, or even treat yourself to something special. Or even take that well-deserved vacation. Imagine the joy of booking that dream trip, knowing you saved enough on your everyday purchases to make it happen. In this fast-paced world of online shopping, it's easy to get caught up in the excitement of clicking buy now, but hold your horses. There's a smarter way to shop. Before you empty your wallet, let's talk about how to become a savvy Amazon shopper and beat the system. By using price tracking tools and being patient, you can ensure you're getting the best deal every time. So stay tuned and let's dive into the world of smart shopping together. Amazon's prices are controlled by complex algorithms. These algorithms take into account everything from competitor pricing to your browsing history. It's enough to make your head spin. That's where price tracking comes in. This simple yet powerful technique allows you to monitor the prices of products you want over time. By doing so, you can identify the perfect moment to pounce on that incredible deal. Think of price tracking as your secret weapon in the battle against inflated prices. It's like having a personal assistant who constantly checks for the best deals so you don't have to. Have you ever noticed how Amazon prices seem to fluctuate wildly? It's like they're playing a game of price tag roulette. One day a product might be on sale for a steal and the next it's back to its regular price. And don't even get me started on those limited time deals. Amazon's lightning deals and deal of the day promotions create a sense of urgency, tempting you to spend money you might not have. But fear not, my friend, there are ways to navigate this price maze and come out on top. By understanding how Amazon's pricing works, you can make informed decisions and avoid overspending. Thankfully, some brilliant minds have developed tools to help us save money. In today's digital age, the internet is brimming with resources designed to make our lives easier and our wallets heavier. Whether you're a savvy shopper or just someone looking to make smarter purchasing decisions, these tools can be a game changer. These tools come in various forms, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. From browser extensions to dedicated websites and mobile apps, there's something for everyone. The key is to find the right combination that works best for your shopping habits and preferences. First up, we have browser extensions. These small but powerful add-ons integrate seamlessly with your web browser, enhancing your online shopping experience without requiring much effort on your part. These handy add-ons live in your web browser and automatically track prices for you as you browse Amazon. Imagine never having to manually check prices again. These extensions do all the heavy lifting for you. Some popular options include Honey, which is well known for its ability to find and apply coupon codes at checkout, saving you money instantly. Keepa, which offers detailed price history charts and alerts, and the Camelizer, which provides similar functionalities helping you make informed decisions. Next, we have dedicated price tracking websites. These platforms are designed to help you keep an eye on the products you want, ensuring you never miss a deal. These websites allow you to create watch lists of products you're interested in and receive alerts when prices drop. This way you can plan your purchases and buy at the most opportune times. Some popular choices include Camel, which is particularly useful for tracking Amazon prices over time, Price Runner, which compares prices across multiple retailers, and Price Spy, which offers comprehensive price comparisons and user reviews. And last but not least, we have mobile apps. These applications bring the power of price tracking to your fingertips, allowing you to monitor prices and receive alerts on the go. Perfect for those who are always on the move. These apps bring the power of price tracking to your fingertips, allowing you to monitor prices and receive alerts on the go. Whether you're commuting, at work, or just relaxing at home, you can stay updated on the best deals. Some popular options include Price Tracker for Amazon, which is specifically designed for Amazon shoppers, Price Check, which allows you to scan barcodes and compare prices instantly, and Buy Via, which offers a wide range of features including price alerts and deal notifications. With these tools at your disposal, you'll be well equipped to make the most of your money. Section 5. Camel, your secret weapon for Amazon savings. Out of all the price tracking tools available, one stands out from the crowd. Camel. This website is a treasure trove of information for Amazon shoppers. Camel allows you to create price watches for millions of products on Amazon. You can track prices over time, view price history charts, and even set up email alerts for when prices drop to your desired level. But wait, there's more. Camel also offers a browser extension called the Camelizer. This extension integrates seamlessly with your web browser and provides you with real-time price history and alerts while you browse Amazon. Section 6. Price tracking in action, a real-world example. Let's say you've had your eye on a new espresso machine. It's sleek, stylish, and promises to make the perfect cup of coffee every morning. You've been dreaming about it for weeks, imagining the rich aroma filling your kitchen. You've been checking Amazon regularly, but the price seems to fluctuate between $250 and $300. One day it's on the higher end, and the next day it drops a bit, only to rise again. It's frustrating because you want to get the best deal possible. You're not in a rush, so you decide to use Camel to track the price. This way you can be patient and wait for the perfect moment to make your purchase without constantly checking the website yourself. You head over to the Camel website and paste the Amazon product URL into the search bar. It's a simple process that takes just a few seconds. Within seconds, you're presented with a detailed price history chart for that espresso machine. The chart shows you the highs and lows of the price over the past few months, giving you a clear picture of its pricing trends. You can see that the price has dropped as low as $200 in the past. This information is invaluable because it tells you that there's a good chance the price will drop again. You decide to set up a price watch for $225. This means that Camel will monitor the price for you and send you an alert when it hits your target price. That way you'll receive an email alert when the price drops to your desired level. You can go about your daily life without worrying about missing out on a great deal. A few weeks later, you receive an email from Camel notifying you that the espresso machine is now on sale for $220. You're thrilled because you've been waiting for this moment. You quickly head over to Amazon and make your purchase, knowing that you got the best possible price. Now you can enjoy your new espresso machine, savoring each cup of coffee and feeling satisfied that you made a smart, informed purchase. Thanks to Camel, you saved money and got exactly what you wanted. This real-world example shows how powerful price tracking tools can be. They take the guesswork out of shopping and help you make better decisions. So next time you're eyeing a big purchase, consider using a price tracker to get the best deal. Section 7. Knowledge is power. Mastering your spending on Amazon. Remember, the key to saving money on Amazon is to be patient and informed. Don't be afraid to wait for a better price, and always do your research before clicking that Buy Now button. By using price tracking tools like Camel, you can take control of your spending and avoid overpaying for the things you want and need. It's like having a secret weapon in your fight against impulse purchases. So next time you're about to make a purchase on Amazon, ask yourself, could I get this for a better price? Chances are the answer is yes. Section 8. Join the savings revolution. Share your tips. Now that you're armed with the knowledge to conquer Amazon's pricing, it's time to spread the word. Share these tips with your friends, family, and social media followers. Let's start a savings revolution. Together, we can outsmart the algorithms and keep more money in our pockets. And don't forget to share your own money-saving tips in the comments below. Section 9. Your wallet will thank you. Embracing a frugal lifestyle. Saving money on Amazon is just the beginning. By adopting a frugal mindset, you can transform your finances and achieve your financial goals faster. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about being mindful of your spending and making smart choices. Every dollar you save is a dollar you can use to build a brighter future for yourself and your family. So go forth and conquer your finances. Your wallet and your future self will thank you.